Welcome back to CIE Group. You join us over at the Security Event 2025. I've been joined by Lewis from VOLO. Lewis, welcome to the channel. And we're talking about the latest updates that VOLO are bringing to their cloud access control system. Lewis, really relevant. Right next door to this show, of course, is the Cybersecurity event. And what we're talking about first is one of your updates to the security of your security system. We're talking about multi-factor, dual-factor authentication. Tell us about multi-factor, what it means, and how that's been applied to the VOLO platform.
Absolutely. So multi-factor, dual-factor, it's something that's spoken about more and more these days. You'll see it on your bank accounts, you'll see it in all sorts of secure logins on your web access. And being a security system, we need to be staying at the front, staying at the forefront, ensuring that we provide that same level of access for all of the users of VOLO. More and more, we're having cybersecurity assessments and checks when we take on new business, and we want to be making sure that it's an easy breezy time to just tick, super secure, no problems.
So of course, for every new VOLO install, we're going to see multi-factor. What about for existing? Are they going to get automatically updated? How's it going to work?
The beauty of a cloud-based system is any updates, they're there for you straight away, nothing for you to do. You just benefit from the iterative improvements and security refinements that we make, so you have nothing to do. There may be a little bit of communication up front to say, please be aware that you're going to need to optionally add this second factor of authentication on for you and your customers, but there'll be plenty of time for you to manage that rollout.
If you already have a VOLO system, look out for those communications. If you want to find out more about VOLO Access Control, click on the link below or join us at ciegroup.com.